What is SQ3R? And why is it successful in studies? Well, smart students recommend SQ3R Method. The SQ3R Method sharps student skills because it helps you to discover the important facts and ideas that are contained in your textbook, and retain that information so that you are prepared for an examination. It contains 5 steps. SQ3R stands for Survey, Question, Read, Recite, Review. Let's take a look on them. First step. Survey. Before you read, survey the chapter. This step only takes 5 to 10 minutes. In this step you have to look for the title, headings, and subheadings, captions under pictures, charts, graphs or maps, introduction and conclusion paragraphs, and summary. It will give you the main idea of the chapter. Second step is question. After surveying, turn the title, headings, and subheadings into questions by using one of the following words: who, what, where, when, why, or how. The reason for creating a question out of each heading is to set a purpose for reading the material in more detail. Third step. Read. Look for answers to the questions you first raised. Reread captions under pictures, graphs, etc. Stop and reread parts which are not clear. Note all the underlined, bold printed words or phrases. Step 4. Recite. Recite the answer to each question. Put the answer into your own words, or rephrase the author's words. But be sure that you can recall the answers. Take notes from the text but write the information in your own words. Underline or highlight important points you just read. Then recite the answers out loud. It helps to put the information into your long-term memory. Last step. Review. After you have read and recited the entire chapter, ask yourself questions about the whole chapter, again, using your own words. If you can't answer the question, look at your notes and test yourself again.